Welcome to the first episode on Awesome Life with Awesome Vibes. I'm going to tell you a few secrets to have your life absolutely awesome for you and for everyone around you. Yes, you can shift without waiting for others to shift. All you have to do is change your vibes. And you can change your vibes by changing your thinking style. You've got to train your mind to think in a certain way. It's a known fact now that your thoughts are things and they can transform the world around you. However, the question is, which thought can transform
Listen to the new
the
podcast
world
now on
around you?
Spotify, YouTube, and Facebook.